To create a follow-up campaign in Funnelbolt, I just need to be in the campaign tab, and we're going to click create campaign right here. Wait for this to load, and we're going to name this whatever you need. And the campaign is for the account that you are in, okay? So we're going to run this in this account, and we're going to select which days we want it to run and whether or not we want to stop the response when somebody responds. So if, just depending on what type of campaign you're running, you can turn this on or off. As contacts come in, you can assign tags to them. So I would say like whatever medium you've got, these coming in from, like say it's a forum lead or Facebook, whatever. And you get into the campaign sequence, and this is where you will create your campaign. So whether or not you want email, text, voice, or a notification to the agent. So basically that's going to send a notification to whatever account you have set up in whatever email or phone number you have set up in this account. So if we go to the settings, we've got a dedicated phone number here. So in order for you to send out text messages or voicemails, you have to have an account number here. So of course these are available, very reasonably priced to get that done. So make sure you've got this number here so that you can send out these campaigns. Okay, so if we go back here, and when we are building our campaign, you can set the time to a specific time or relative to when the lead comes in, or whatever form, whenever that thing is submitted. So relative, we want to set that to say 1 minute after the or we can do it immediately after the lead comes in. So we want to send an email or let's say a notification to the agent because we want to let our client know that we've got a lead come in. So we send a text, relative 0 minutes. So we're going to send new lead. Here's the information, and screwed that up. Let me go back here. So pull that in, last name and phone and email. So this is going to send a notification via text to whoever the account holder is for this account. Okay? Then we're going to add to that, and now we're going to send a text at a relative time. We're going to say a minute after. Thanks for signing up. This is so-and-so with company X. Whatever message you want to put in there. So we're going to send a text at a relative time after the lead signs up. So let's say we go to the next day. We want to send an email at a specific time. So we send that at say 8 o'clock. Of course, enter your email text here, and then we want to send a voicemail what day do we have here? Day 1. Call this day 2. Day 2, send a voicemail at, and again, this would be a ringless voicemail at 10 after 8 the next day. And just upload the audio file, and that'll send at that time. So these sequences can be added. You can put as many of these in sequence as you need, and they can run out for up to 90 days, basically. So that is how you create a campaign. And again, you have to have a call forwarding number for these texts and voicemails to be sent. Once you have all that set up, the system will be able to send these messages to these leads as they come in. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thanks.